Hi everyone! Today I'm bursting with excitement because we're tackling a truly special creation, Panettone. This traditional Christmas favorite usually takes days to perfect. But guess what? After trial and error a million times, I've got a must-see method for you. We're making it the smart way with a bread machine. We start by warming 60 ml of milk slightly. Once it's gently heated, carefully pour the warm milk into the bread machine's container. Add a tablespoon of sugar and a teaspoon of yeast. Stir it up and let it sit for about 20 minutes. When it foams up like this, it's a sign our yeast is ready for some flour action. Now, add 1 cup of bread flour to our bubbly yeast mixture. Add in 1 room temperature egg. Use the dough program to start kneading our ingredients together. While our machine is working as magic, let's prep our dried fruits. The beauty of homemade is you can use anything you like. Candied orange peel, dried cranberry, walnuts, pistachios. It's your call. I'm using raisins this time. To add a holiday sparkle, I soak a cup of raisins in a mix of 1 tablespoon of white rum and water. Stir well to let those raisins soak up the rum flavor. After the bread machine completes its first kneading and raising phase, it's time to enrich our dough. Add in 30 grams of softened unsalted butter, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let the machine work again until the dough becomes smooth. Then it's time for our rum-soaked raisins. And yes, we're adding a lot, because who doesn't love finding raisins in every bite of their panettone? And while you're here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the little bell so you won't miss any of my craft videos. When the bread machine signals it's done, the fun part begins. First, gently brush the top of the dough with egg wash for that golden, glossy finish. Then, with a super sharp knife, give your dough the special panettone shape. Don't forget a little piece of butter on top for that extra touch of richness. Now, it's time to start the bake program and set your timer for 35 minutes. After it's baked, take the bread pan out immediately and cool it upside down on a rack. This is crucial for letting the panettone cool completely. Cooling it upside down helps maintain its shape and prevents the delicate bread from collapsing under its own weight. And there you have it. Your very own Christmas panettone, fluffy, fruity, and full of holiday joy. Thanks for joining me in this festive baking adventure. Enjoy your homemade panettone, and I'll see you in the next video.